Urdu course lesson 3. In this lesson we will learn use of he, she and is in Urdu language with examples and some vocabulary. Let's have a start. He, in Urdu language he is wo, and she is also wo. So he and she are same in Urdu language, which is wo, and we know is equal to hai. So she is वो है और he is equal to वो है. Let's see some examples. She is Jennifer. वो Jennifer है. She वो is है and Jennifer is Jennifer. वो Jennifer है. Another example, he is boy. वो लड़का है. वो लड़का है. Another example, Sarah is a teacher. सारा उस्तानी है. We use उस्तानी for female teacher. Female. सारा उस्तानी है. She is girl. वो लड़की है. वो लड़की है. Next example, Sarah is a mother. Instead of using pronoun he or she, you can also use name of someone. Sarah is a mother. Sarah माँ है. Sarah माँ है. Let's learn some vocabulary we use in our daily life. David is a gardener. David माली है. Now David is man, so you can also say he is a gardener. वो माली है, or you can put name of someone. He is a teacher. वो उस्ताद है. We use उस्ताद for male teacher, and for female teacher we use ustani. Ustani. So he is a teacher. वो उस्ताद है, और David is a teacher. David उस्ताद है. Another example, she or he is lawyer. वो वकील है. वो वकील है. In Urdu language, lawyer is wakil, and we use this word for both gender. Another example, Jack is a farmer. Jack किसान है. Jack किसान है. And next is David is a tailor. David दर्जी है. David दर्जी है. Another example, Maya is a magician. Maya जादूगरनी है. Maya जादूगरनी है. We use जादूगरनी for female magician. If it is masculine, then we will say जादूगर. जादू GAR gar. जादूगर. This is for male, जादूगर, and for female we say जादूगर, and at the end we say नी, जादूगरनी. And next we have he is a servant. वो नौकर है. वो नौकर है. We use नौकर for male servant, and if female servant we use नौकरानी. She is a servant. वो नौकरानी है. Another example, he is a postman. वो डाकिया है. वो डाकिया है. This is end of the lesson number 3. Subscribe us for our next lesson. You are watching Urdu Academy Jakarta. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Subscribe us to learn Urdu in English and Arabic script.